Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Firebase. Today we are going to learn CRUD operations using the Firebase, Python and the Flask. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So basically this is the code for the CRUD operations. Let's try to use that one. So let me create a new file, that is crud.py, and put the code over here. Okay, so let's go and check. So which database I have created. So this is basically I'm using the database for here, that is Firestore database. I guess I'm using real-time database. Okay, so here we have a real-time database. This is Firestore. We have another video for that. So currently I'm using real-time database. So I need to create the database over here. So this is our database URL. Just need to I copied it. So let's copy the URL and paste it. Okay, so make sure you have to paste it, the database URL over here. Okay, this is the credentials of the Firebase. So how to download this file? So let's go to the project settings, go to your service accounts. So here you have to generate the new key from here. Let it be reload, and make sure you have to install the Python package, that is Firebase admin, which I have already told you in the previous video. So here you need to click the generate new private key, so it will give you that file. Okay, this file you will get it, and make sure you have to add the path, right? So we have to import the Flask request, import from the Flask, that is request justify and the Flask. And from the Firebase admin we require credentials, DB and the Firebase admin. Okay, now we have to go with initialize with the Firebase admin SDK and put the path over here of the service account key.json file. So currently it's there, right? So reference to the Firebase real-time database. So yeah, I have given the reference of that one. Okay, so first option is that how to create a record into the Firebase real-time database. Okay, so let's try to create the record. Okay, let's go to the Postman, and I think the server is restarted. Yes, let's go to the Postman and let's create a first record with required the raw, that is JSON. Okay, so I'm going to add with the name and the email only. Okay, name is Rajnikant and the email, oh, Rajnikant, and the email is like this. Email is Rajnikant90 at the rate mailinator.com. Okay, just put it out and just try to send it. It says the requested URL not found. So let's see what exactly the requested URL. I think create is there. I have updated the create. Okay, and this is a post request. Anything that I did wrong? Okay, I have to start with the crud.py. I have go with the wrong one. Okay, so Python 3, that is crud.py. It says that the certificates path to download service key account file. So there is an issue with that certificate. Okay, let's try to check this one, and let me copy this certificate. No, just phone. I need to just path the phone over here. Okay, so here we go with this phone. So this is, we have to add it, save it. Let's go to the terminal and let's run this, and now it's running. Let's go to the create option, try to send this, and it's created with the data with the key ID, and you can see that here Firebase Fire real-time database. So here you can see that one record with the ID. Here you can see the ID is the same. Okay, data is added, and here you can see that we have this name, right? So the first one, that in the real-time database we are able to create a record. Next one, this is the create part. So what we have done, data.request.json. Okay, if the data is there, then new item ref dot push the data. So we are pushing the data, and then we are saying that the message data is created successfully with the key and the status code. Okay, if something goes wrong, it will go over here that the no data is provided, so status code 400. Okay, now I'm going to read that file, read that record. So we require this ID, so I'm going to just copy this ID and make sure you have to add like this. So it's read method, go to the postman, and here I'm going to mention the read. Okay, and make a slash. I'm going to read the record like this. Method is not allowed. I think it's get request. Let's try to send this, and here we are able to read my record over here. Okay, so here item reference key child, so get. So here I'm going to just read whatever the key we have. Okay, if item found, then return that chastenify with the item. If something goes wrong, it will show me that item not found. Okay, now I'm going to update the record. Okay, so in the last one we have a Rajnikant, and the Rajnikant email is this one. So I make a request of the put, and I'm going to change the name with my full name. Okay, and let's try to send this. Method not allowed. So what the method is, let's go and check. I think it's not read. Okay, so it's update, right? So make sure you have to put the update over here, and let's try to send it, and my name is updated. Let's go and check here. Here you can see that my name is updated automatically, and I don't need to refresh it. Okay, so this is that one update part. So what we have done, first we request the JSON and check the key and update the data on that key. Okay, and message that the data is updated successfully with the status code 200, and if something goes wrong, it will give me the error that the no data provided. Okay, next we have a delete with the key. So whatever we have the key, let's make sure we have to go with the delete part and make a delete over here with the key. Okay, let's try to send it, and data is deleted successfully. There is no record, data is deleted. So null, real-time database have. Okay, so this is the full-fledged CRUD operation using the Firebase Flask Python in real-time database. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.